What makes a resume great? In the 2 decades I've been helping people manage their careers, I've seen probably 75,000 or so resumes and maybe another 25 or 30,000 LinkedIn profiles. And I would say there are 3 categories of resumes. There's the good resume, the great resume, and what I would consider to be the best-in-class resume. What's a good resume? A good resume outlines your responsibilities in the jobs that you've had, and it also has the right keywords so that you'll be found in resume databases, which is important, by the way. But too often a good resume isn't good enough, because if your resume simply has all the same keywords as all the other people and resumes that are applying to the same jobs you're applying for, it's kind of hard to stand out that way. And to stand out, you really need the second category of resume. You need a great resume. Now, a great resume goes beyond your job description. It really talks about the impact, the results of the work that you've done. Because let's face it, hiring managers and recruiters alike, and I'm one, they're less interested in strictly the responsibilities that you've held, and they want to know the impact, the results, the contributions that you've made in all the jobs that you've had. If you want a great resume, you need measurable accomplishments from your various work experiences. And if you can take all of that content and package it into a document that is cleanly formatted and easy to read, well, then you've got yourself a great resume, in my opinion. But sometimes even the great resume isn't good enough. Because if you want to take your career to the next level, you need a best-in-class resume. That's the third resume type. Now, let me explain. If you've got a great resume, you've got a resume that talks about the past jobs that you've had, the past responsibilities you've held, and your past accomplishments and results. Great. Except that only qualifies you for jobs that you've already done. A best-in-class resume sets you up for jobs that you haven't done. That's the key if you want to elevate your career. You need someone who will help you decode your success formula, somebody who will help articulate on paper how you've been able to consistently achieve all of those successes and results from the various work you've done. That will basically outline your potential to do a job that you haven't done. That will give you raging confidence when you go into the job search process, and huge confidence when you start interviewing. Basically, a best-in-class resume is one where a reader will look at your resume and go, not just, I want to interview this person. You want them to look at the resume and go, I want to hire this person. Just by looking at your resume without ever having interviewed you, that's a best-in-class resume. If you want to take your career to the next level, you need a best-in-class resume, which means you need a best-in-class resume writer. That's what we do, and we'd like to do it for you. Let's get started today.